Are we at supermarket?
Yes, we are here.
Is this supermarket big?
Yes, very big store.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you have a basket?
Yes, yellow basket here.
Is the basket heavy?
A little bit, yes.
What is in basket?
Fruits and vegetables mostly.
Do you see vegetables?
Yes, green and fresh.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, very healthy food.
What vegetables do you need?
Carrots, onions, and tomatoes.
Are carrots cheap here?
Yes, very cheap indeed.
Do you like carrots?
Yes, crunchy and healthy.
Do you need onions?
Yes, for cooking always.
Are onions strong smelling?
Yes, very strong smell.
Do you see tomatoes?
Yes, red and fresh.
Are tomatoes a fruit or vegetable?
Both. Interesting fact.
Do you have bananas?
Yes, in basket already.
Are bananas ripe?
Yes, nice and yellow.
Do you like bananas?
Yes, great energy snack.
Do you need fruit too?
Yes, apples and oranges.
Are apples fresh here?
Yes, very fresh today.
Which apples do you prefer?
Red apples are best.
Are oranges sweet here?
Yes, very sweet indeed.
Do you drink orange juice?
Yes, every single morning.
Do you buy juice here?
Yes, fresh juice aisle.
Is fresh juice healthy?
Yes, much better indeed.
Do you need bread?
Yes, whole grain bread.
Is whole grain better?
Yes, healthier than white.
Where is the bread aisle?
Aisle 3 over there.
Do you need eggs?
Yes, 1 dozen, please.
Are eggs expensive here?
No, quite cheap today.
Do you eat eggs daily?
Yes, every single morning.
Do you need milk?
Yes, 1 liter, please.
Is milk fresh here?
Yes, very fresh milk.
Do you drink milk daily?
Yes, good for bones.
Do you need cheese?
Yes, just a little.
Is cheese expensive?
A little, worth it.
Do you need rice?
Yes, 2 kilograms, please.
Is rice on sale?
Yes, 20% off.
That is a good deal.
Yes, very lucky today.
Do you have a list?
Yes, in my phone.
Is a list helpful?
Yes, forget nothing then.
Do you always make lists?
Yes, always very organized.
Is being organized important?
Yes, saves time always.
Do you need cleaning products?
Yes, just some soap.
Where is the soap aisle?
Aisle 7, far back.
Do you need shampoo too?
Yes, running out soon.
Is shampoo expensive here?
No, good prices here.
Do you need toothpaste?
Yes, almost finished mine.
Is toothpaste important?
Yes, brush teeth daily.
Do you brush twice daily?
Yes, morning and night.
Do you need anything else?
Maybe some yogurt, yes.
Is yogurt healthy?
Yes, very good food.
What flavor yogurt?
Plain yogurt is best.
Do you add honey?
Yes, with some honey.
Is honey expensive here?
A little, but healthy.
Are you almost done?
Yes, almost finished here.
Do you need a cart?
No, basket is enough.
Is basket easier than cart?
Yes, for small shopping.
How much will this cost?
Maybe $30 total?
Do you have enough money?
Yes, I have 50.
Will you get change back?
Yes, about $20.
Do you pay by cash?
Yes, cash today, please.
Do you have small bills?
Yes, I have them.
Is the cashier line long?
No, very short today.
Is this a good supermarket?
Yes, love this place.
Do you come here often?
Yes, every single week.
Is it near your home?
Yes, just 10 minutes.
Do you walk here?
Yes, I always walk.
Is walking here easy?
Yes, very easy walk.
Do you bring bags?
Yes, reusable bags always.
Are reusable bags better?
Yes, good for environment.
Do you care about environment?
Yes, very important issue.
Should everyone use reusable bags?
Yes, everyone should try.
Do you recycle at home?
Yes, always recycle carefully.
Is recycling important?
Yes, helps our planet.
Do you buy organic food?
Sometimes when affordable.
Is organic food expensive?
Yes, a little more.
Is organic food healthier?
Yes, generally healthier indeed.
Are you done shopping now?
Yes, got everything needed.
Did you get everything?
Yes, checked my list.
Shall we go pay?
Yes, let us go.